basket, okay? Good boy. Can you find some more eggs?
Maybe.
That's right. Good boy. Any more eggs?
Maybe.
Yep. Any more? Yeah. You're gonna have a little bit of milk. This is thirsty work. Do you see any more eggs? In your basket, yes.
More.
There's more. You can put them in your basket. Here, mommy, you got. Oh, very good.
We need it.
Good boy. Any more eggs?
Maybe.
Connor. What about over here?
Egg. Egg. Take it. Have a light.
Jake has an egg.
Oh.
Okay, there's some more eggs over here.
Egg. It's the light.
Easter egg. And then finally up there.
It's your egg up there.
Yeah.
More.
More.
More, Sheila. More.
Yay! All done! Yay, Connor!
What's in your basket?
Egg.
Yeah, can you show them to Daddy?
Show Daddy your basket.
Egg.
Yeah, it's kind of full, isn't it? There we go. Whoops.
Okay.
Oopsie.
The egg.
Okay, show Daddy.
So like it.
Mmm.
It's the egg.
Good boy. All right. All done. Good boy.
Very good.
Would you like a snack now?
Yeah.
No. Okay. What are you going to do with your eggs now? You going to play with your eggs?
Okay.
Want some more milk? More milk?
That's it.
Thank you.
So what are you going to do with your eggs?
Waiting on it.
Yeah, you going to count them?
1, 2. 1, 2, 4. 1 night.
Yeah.